Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use freeze frame sequence effect using Premiere Pro CC. What is the freezing frame? The object should be freezing every moment as you see. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add background music, how to make a basic color correction, freeze frame, hold freeze. Before that, I would like to show you the output. Yes, let's see how to do. This is my source video and background music files. Now I'm going to demonstrate on how to do the freeze frame work. Open your Premiere Pro software and import your video clip here. Go to File, Import, select which file video you want. Click Open. My video is imported my project library. Just drag and drop in the timeline. This is my video. I can play using spacebar. I can stop using same spacebar. In this video, you will have video as well as audio. You want to divide the video and audio in different. Just use right click and click unlink. Automatically your video and audio will be separate. Just select audio and delete. In this video, I would like to add the basic color correction. Select color. Once you select the color template will be displayed here. If you want to activate this, just select your video. Automatically, your color palette will be selected. Intensity, just increase the amount. You can see the output in your video. And choose the vibrant and saturation. Once I increase the volumes, automatically my video color correction will be changing here. This is the old output, this is a new output. If you reduce saturation, the video will be black. If you increase the saturation, you can able to see the output. Using this option, you can able to make a basic color correction. Now I am going to show you how to make a freeze framing option. Select your video. You will have an effect option in your left hand side. Scroll down and select blend mode as a darken. If I want to take a duplicate of the same video, press Alt key and click the mouse and take a duplicate. Yes. If you want to add more track, click on the track and right click add track. Yes. So totally I have added 4 tracks. If you want to hide this, just click and hide the video. Yes. So this is my primary video and this my secondaries. Now I just want to play the video. Exactly this frame I want to freeze. Select the video and remove the option and use right click, click add frame hold. Automatically the video will divide 2 parts in before and after. Before part, just select and delete. Yes. And next, just play the video, hold. Select a second timeline and remove. Right click, add frame hold, and before and after is divided, just select and delete. Yes. Again, play the video. Yes. So this is my output. Now I want to add background music. How to add my background music? Go to File, Import, select the background music and click Open. Your background music will add in your library. Just drag and drop in the audio box. Your background music will add it here. My background music quite big. Just reduce background music. From beginning you can play and see with your video as well as the audio. Using this freeze frame, you can able to make your video more vibrant. If you want to take an output of this file, just go to File, select Export and Media. Give the file name and give the location. Click Export. Your file will be exported. Now I am going to show you how to hold your video frame. Import the video in your timeline. Play the video where you want hold. Just press spacebar and stop. And use right click. Select Insert Frame Hold Segment. Once you select that option, your frame will be divided into 3 parts. Your photo will be freeze. Again your video will start. Now I am going to add the transaction effect in this video, and your right hand side corner you will have a video transaction. Select the button and dissolve, additive dissolve. Just select place in between 2 frames and just play. Yes, my photo frame is ready. Now I need some movement of this photo frame. I want to scale in front. Just select the photo frame and go to Effect option. Select Scale. Make sure your scale option should be select like this and move the frame and increase the scale. Yes, that's it. Play the video and you can able to see. Now I want to add some audio effect in this. Just select some particles. This particle is camera click. Just play the video. Yes. So this effect will help you to make a more virtual. Yes, this is basic color correction, background music and hold frame as well as freeze frame. If you want a video and sound effect, just give the comment box your mail ID. I'll send you the source video and the sound box. You can able to work out in your house. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.